Good morning everyone.
Morning.
Selamat pagi. Okay, Assalamualaikum juga. Nama diberi Azlina. I'm actually under CCA Rohaida. Dengar. My direct upline CCA Nur Hasliah Hassan. So Aziz Rohaida is my upline lah. So apa nak cakap? So this is my third BE lifestyle trip. The first two mula-mula sekali Tokyo, and the second one was Melbourne, and this is my third one. And Alhamdulillah, this time I got to bring my husband because I got 2 tickets. And very happy because selama ni I pergi seorang kan, macam tengok orang lain bawa couple, alamak jealous je. So I was like I have to do this, I have to get another ticket for my husband. So I did, Alhamdulillah. And then the perasaan kan, because tembok besar China tu, I tak pernah termasuk dalam I punya whatever I nak panjat benda tu. Because I injured my left knee last year. Memang ada torn meniscus, ada torn partial torn ACL. So I was like, macam mana nak panjat ni kan. Tapi because we all doing it together kan, dia punya semangat tu lain macam. So thank you everyone for giving all the semangat. Terus sikit lagi, baguslah kan. And then about my BE journey, this is my third year, dah 3 tahun. I actually jumpa the product because I was looking for masalah sakit belakang I yang kronik. Then lepas tu, bila I dah beli banyak the whole Aurora series, ada yang kata, Ina fight lah for trip. So I was like, kenapa nak fight for trip? Because I dah pergi banyak-banyak tempat kan. Tapi dia kata, you cubalah sekali je, cuba je fight trip sekali. Nanti you feel the difference. The difference, huge difference when you travel with BE compare when travel alone myself ataupun dengan my family. So memang betul lah, sebab satu, the travel is free kan, semua free. And dia bagi semua like 5-star punya travel fees. Macam you know the hotel macam tu, I rasa I tak buat lah kalau I pergi sendiri sebab mahal kan. So the entrance fee, the food semua tu. And then along the way, bila I buat untuk trip, tiba-tiba saya dapat fighters. Macam ingat kan, dia cakap kan, BE kata you buat, you akan dapat fighters. Lepas tu betul lah, betul dapat fighters. Saya dapat fighters. Lepas tu I was like, oh sekarang dah kena bawa fighters pula lah, sebab dah jadi leaders kan. You tak boleh macam sendiri-sendiri. So that's why I continue. More so actually to sama-sama lah dengan leader saya. Sebab bawah I ada 2 ambassadors to full-time housewife. So I feel very happy bila full-time housewife dapat income every month from me. So memang I rasa sangat-sangat happy. Itu macam happiness yang lain tau daripada I treat my own patients. And then bila I buat BE, I actually introduce the product to my nurses and my staff. Diorang pun dapat kesihatan. Mostly our problem is standing along inside our tempat kerja kan. So diorang pun semua pakai Alora Pants. So semua rasa macam you know, you dapat tenaga, boleh berdiri lama masa kerja. So I rasa sangat-sangat happy dengan benda tu. So that's what actually why I stay in BE. So hopefully I got to go to Seoul next one. To my leaders, siapa yang tengok ni, ada 3 orang ambassador bawah I. So hopefully the 2 full-time housewife, another one tu dia pegawai sains. So hopefully we got to go to Seoul this November together. Itu saja. Thank you.